नमस्ते बच्चों. Today I am here with some more problems of your exercise 6.3. We have already discussed up to question number 13 of exercise 6.3. I think we have discussed up to question number 13. Okay. Yes, we have discussed up to question number 13. Now let us see question number 14. The question number 14, it is given that sides AB and AC and median AD of triangle ABC are respectively proportional to side PQ and PR and median PM of another triangle PQR, so that triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. We have to show that the triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. एक ट्रायंगल है ABC और दूसरा ट्रायंगल है PQR, जिसमें ट्रायंगल ABC का साइड AB प्रोपोर्शनल ABC के साइड AB और PQR के साइड PQ का रेशियो, ट्रायंगल ABC के साइड AC और ट्रायंगल PQR के PR का रेशियो, और मीडियन AD ऑफ ट्रायंगल ABC एंड मीडियन PM ऑफ ट्रायंगल PQR का रेशियो जो है वो इक्वल है. ओके, देन वी हैव टू प्रूव दैट ट्रायंगल ABC इज सिमिलर टू ट्रायंगल PQR. ओके, so construction is required here. We have to extend AD to a point E and PM in triangle PQR. The median PM is to be extended to a point L in such a way that the length of AD should be equal to length of D, and the length of this PM in triangle PQR should be equal to ML. And then join B to E and C to E and Q to L and R to L. So this is the construction for proving the question number 14. Now we have, in proof you have to write, we have BD is equal to DC. This length BD is equal to DC because AD is one of the median of triangle ABC, and hence D will be the midpoint of BC. So BD will be equal to DC, and AD is equal to D by construction, as we have constructed here. We have extended AD to point E such that AD is equal to D. That is, in this quadrilateral ABC, we see that the diagonal AE and diagonal BC are bisecting at point D. That means we have here BD is equal to DC and AD is equal to D. That means the diagonal BC and AE are bisecting each other at point D. And we know that if the diagonals of a quadrilateral bisect each other, then it will be a parallelogram, because the properties of parallelogram is that the diagonals of parallelogram bisect each other. Okay, then this implies that ABEC is a parallelogram. Similarly, in this quadrilateral PQLR, we have QM is equal to MR because PM is one of the medians, so M will be the midpoint of QR, and PM is equal to LM by construction. That is, diagonal in this quadrilateral PQLR, also diagonals are bisecting each other at point M. That means this quadrilateral PQLR is also a parallelogram. Thus AC is equal to B in this quadrilateral ABEC. AC will be equal to B, opposite sides of parallelogram. AB will be equal to C, opposite sides of parallelogram. In this quadrilateral PQLR, PQ will be equal to LR, PQ will be equal to LR here, okay. This PQ will be equal to RL and PR will be equal to QL, opposite sides of parallelogram. Now it is given that AB upon PQ is equal to AC upon PR is equal to AD upon PM. This implies that AB upon PQ is equal to B upon QL, because AC is equal to B here, AC is equal to B and QL is equal to PR. We have already shown here QL is equal to, at last we have shown here QL is equal to PR. Okay, this will be equal to AD upon PM, and we have to multiply both the numerator and denominator by 2 here. Okay, then we get AB upon PQ will be equal to B upon QL is equal to 2AD. The 2AD will be equal to AE, because AD is equal to D, so double of this length will be equal to the whole length AE, and double of this length PM will be whole length PL. Okay, so AB upon PQ will be equal to AC, B upon QL is equal to A upon PL. Therefore the corresponding sides of these two triangles has become, corresponding sides of these two triangles ABE and PQL has become proportional. So triangle ABE will be similar to triangle PQL by SSS similarity, and so their corresponding sides will be proportional. If two triangles are similar, then their corresponding angles are equal and their corresponding sides are proportional. We required angle here, so this angle BAE will of this triangle ABE will be equal to angle QPL of this triangle PQL. This is your equation first, and similarly we can show that this triangle AEC will be similar to PLR. Okay, and then the corresponding angle of these two triangles will be equal. That means angle CAE will be equal to angle RPL. This will be considered as equation second. Now adding equation first and second, we get angle BAE will be added to angle CAE, LHS will be added to LHS, and RHS will be added to RHS. That is QPL will be added with RPL. Then if we add angle BAE and CAE, then we get angle BAC here, and if we add QPL and RPL, then we get QPR here. Then angle BAC will become equal to angle QPR, and let us consider it as equation third. Now in triangle ABC and triangle PQR, in ABC and PQR we have, in this triangle ABC and PQR we have AB upon PQ. AB upon PQ is equal to AC upon PR, already given in the question, and we have just proved in equation third angle BAC is equal to angle QPR, or angle CAB is equal to angle RPQ from equation third. So the ratio of this AB and PQ has become equal to ratio of AC and PR, and the angle between these two sides AB and AC, that is angle BAC, has become equal to angle between these two sides QP and RP, that is QPR. Then by SAS similarity, triangle ABC will be similar to triangle PQR, and that is to be proved. So your question has been proved here. Okay, by S similarity, triangle ABC will become similar to triangle PQR. So this is the long question. Okay, so we have taken only 2 questions for today. Okay, now we will see the last question of this exercise, that is question number 16. In this, and question number 12 is also based on this question number 16. So in this question it is given that if AD and PM are median of triangles ABC and PQR, as you can see in the figure, this is triangle ABC and this is triangle PQR. AD is one of the median of triangle ABC and PM is one of the median of triangle PQR respectively, where triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. It is given that this triangle ABC is already similar to triangle PQR. Then we have to prove that the ratio of this AB and PQ will be equal to ratio of this median AD and this median PM. Okay, then in solution you have to write first given what is given in the question. So it is given that AD and PM are medians of triangle ABC and PQR respectively, and triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. It is given in the question. We have to prove that the ratio of AB and PQ is equal to ratio of AD and PM here. So let us prove it. Since triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR, as it is already given in the question, so their corresponding angles will be equal and corresponding sides will be in the same ratio. This implies that angle B is equal to angle Q. Corresponding angles will be equal, and let us consider it as equation first. And the corresponding sides will be proportional, that is corresponding sides will be in the same ratio. Okay, then the ratio of this AB and PQ will be equal to ratio of BC and QR, and the ratio of AC will be equal to ratio of AC and PR will be equal. The ratio of their corresponding sides will be equal. Now AB upon PQ is equal to BC upon QR. This implies that AB upon PQ is equal to multiply the numerator and denominator of RHS, that is BC and QR will be multiplied by half. If we multiply the numerator and denominator by same number, then there will be no change in the ratio. Okay, so we have multiplied here the numerator BC by 1 by 2 and the denominator also by 1 by 2. Then we get AB upon PQ and half of BC because AD is median, then D will be the midpoint of BC, then half of BC will be equal to BD. So half of BC will become equal to BD, and in triangle PQR, PM is the median, so M will be the midpoint, so half of QR will be equal to QM. So AB upon PQ will be equal to BD upon QM. Since D is the midpoint of BC, we have already written here, and M is the midpoint of QR. So half of BC will be equal to BD and half of QR will be equal to QM. Thus AB upon PQ has become equal to BD upon QM. The ratio of this AB and the ratio of this AB and PQ has become equal to ratio of this BD and QM. In triangle ABD and PQM, we get AB upon PQ has become equal to BD upon QM, and the angle between AB and BD, that is angle A, this angle B, and angle between PQ and QM, that is this angle Q, are equal from equation first. Angle B is equal to angle Q. So ratio of two sides, corresponding sides are equal and angle between them has become equal. So by SAS similarity, triangle ABD will be similar to triangle PQM, and so their corresponding sides will be proportional. That is AB upon the corresponding sides of AB will be PQ, that is AB by PQ will be equal to AD, and ratio corresponding sides of AD will be equal to PM. So AB upon PQ has become equal to AD upon PM, and it is to be proved. So we have proved the required question. It has been proved here. Okay, AB upon PQ has become equal to AD upon PM because ABD is similar to triangle PQM, and then their corresponding sides will be proportional. That's all for today. We will study the theorem based on areas of two similar triangle in next class. Okay.